Hello everyone, welcome to Heal Yourself rather than see a doctor. 大家好，欢迎来到看医生不如看自己 Chapter 19, The Root Cause of High Cholesterol and Corresponding Treatment 第19章，高胆固醇的根本原因以及正确的治疗方向。Lecture 4, The only way cholesterol is excreted in the body. 讲座4。体内胆固醇排泄的唯一途径。There is only one way of excretion of cholesterol in the body. That is, it is dissolved in bile, excreted from the bile duct, enters the intestine through the bile duct, and then excreted from the body. 体内胆固醇的排泄只有一个途径，就是溶在胆汁中，从胆道排泄，通过胆道进入肠道，进而排出体外。The solub the solubility of the cholesterol in bile is directly related to the content of lecithin in bile. 胆固醇在胆汁中的溶解度与胆汁中卵磷脂的含量直接有关。In other words, the higher the content of lecithin in bile, the higher the solubility of cholesterol in bile, and more cholesterol is excreted or excreted. 也就是说，胆汁中卵磷脂的含量越高，胆固醇在胆汁中的溶解度就越高，胆固醇排泄的就越多。Lecithin is synthesized by the liver because the synthesis of the lecithin requires protein, vitamin B complex, magnesium, choline or choline, okay, inositol, and many other nutrients. 卵磷脂由肝脏合成，因为合成卵磷脂需要蛋白质、维生素 B、镁、胆碱、肌醇等很多营养素。Okay, that's all for lecture 4. So see you in lecture 5.